Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to run through how to use the new Windows 10 app for the RF11IQ. For those of you that have been using the Apple or Android app already, then this is going to actually look very similar to you. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is type in an address. Now every address, whether that you've got this set up as a remote server, whether it's sitting on your local network, whether you're VPN'd into someone else's network, always needs to start with http://. Now I've set one up on our local network and the address is 192.168.1.18. We press enter. It comes up with the login screen. Now the default for every RF11IQ out of the box is username of admin and the password is ThorRF11, all in caps lock. And as you can see there, now we're connected. So from here I can control any of the 8 individually switchable ports just simply by clicking on it. See, if I click on 2, 3, 4, 5, you can see those ports have turned on, the green rings have come up, and then you can see the current draw that's being taken from those ports. On port 1 we have an auto restart feature, so when I press that, the port turns off and then 20 seconds later the port will restart again. This is so you can power cycle modems or routers, but then of course you need it to come back on so you can still regain connection to the RF11IQ to continue working. Now the other thing we can do in the new Windows 10 app is actually manage multiple RF11IQ devices. So to do that, we click on the 3 dots here, and that brings up the menu. We go to new IQ devices. From there we name the device. We'll name this one Office and we'll put in the address again and we'll press add. And as you can see, we've now brought up the list of servers and you can see that it's been labelled Office, and you can even see that if we click the X here, we can see now that it's actually telling us that we're controlling the Office. Now to manage the device, and actually what we'll do is we'll add in a few more IQs. So we just go new IQ device, we'll call this test 2. We'll put in a random address, add, we'll add another one, call it test 3. We'll go add. Okay, now from here you can see the server list. Now from here we can actually do a few things. Firstly, if we click on the green button, we can actually edit the name and address for any of the servers in the list. Update, let's call it Office 2 just to show an update. We press edit and as you can see you come back to the list. This one's the active one, you click the tick, and if you close that you can see that's now been updated to Office 2. Go back into manage servers. Now let's say we wanted to delete one, we didn't need that one in there anymore. It's just a matter of simply clicking the red recycle bin and that unit is gone. Now the last cool feature that we have is you can actually rename the ports. So as you can imagine, if you've got multiple of these servers saved into your list, then it may get a little confusing as to what is plugged into what port. So what we can do from here is click the plus sign, and from here we can name the ports. So modem in port 1, router in port 2, NAS drive, port 3, printer, port 4, and so on. Now if we press set, okay, and then we click on the blue tick again to make it active, and we press the cross, as you can see across the bottom there, all the ports have been labelled. I hope that helps you. That's just some of the cool new features on the new app for Windows 10 for the RF11IQ. You'll need to make sure you get an updated version of the app, so please talk to your Thor representative and he'll make sure you have the latest version. Thanks for watching.